Hello everyone. So we will start with question number 11, in which we have been given two sets A and B. So to find out the answer, we will first find the area covered by region A and area covered by region B. So in this we will start from A. In A it states that we have been given two variables A and B, in which both lies between the real numbers only. So first equation is a minus 5 mod is less than 1 and b minus 5 mod less than 1. We have been given mod, which means it's equal to, and it lies between minus 1 to 1. So from here we will have four equations: a greater than 1, a minus 5 greater than 1 minus 1, and a minus 5 less than 1. So we will have similar equation for b also. We will transfer 5 on both the sides. So we will have two equations from here, two straight lines. We will draw those two lines and we will get the area, shaded area region. It will be similar to like this. We will plot a graph, two lines for B, two lines for A. This will be our shaded region. So now we will look forward to for set B, in which we have same variables A and B, which lies in real number. So we will simplify the equation which has been given in the question. We will divide by 36 on the both sides, and after dividing we get an equation similar to equation of a circle. A square plus b square equals to 1. So here we will draw a circle also. After looking at both the drawings, we can see the circle drawn by the set B encapsulates the area region drawn by set A. That means we can say that A is a subset of B, as A lies inside the region of B. This is our A region, this is our B region. Thank you.